Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. I am back with these African American Christmas decorations. This is one of my 80s. Right now it's a Santa. But it's January right now. So I'm going to do Valentine, Easter, Halloween, Christmas, okay? So y'all see some Halloween and stuff. Don't say, "Ooh, it's not even Halloween." I know it's not Halloween. Okay, so let me show you. It's a sleeping Santa. African American. Okay, that's the only thing he do. His arms are opposable. This is the box to it. My auntie got it from Office Depot. It's a snore animated Santa. Yeah. Like and subscribe for more videos.